Here's a quick clip I want to show you guys from Tom Lee here on April 17, 2025. It's just him talking about Nvidia. Go ahead and listen to this.
But let's talk about stocks that have been taking particular hits in the last couple of days. One of them is Nvidia because it fell 10% on Wednesday and it really hasn't recovered. Now you're wondering why is Nvidia getting hit so hard? Well, it has to do with an export restriction. Nvidia makes this H20 chip, which is designed to sell uh, in a way that was acceptable to the US to export to China. It's actually a fairly important chip for Nvidia, more than $10 billion of sales. But at the moment, because Nvidia follows the letter of the law, the US does not want them to ship any more H20 chips to China. Well, Dan Ives put it succinctly. Basically, the White House knows that China needs these Nvidia chips. This is part of the tariff war. So Nvidia is caught in the crossfire. Okay, well, you might be wondering, does this mean you should get out of Nvidia? Analysts have already adjusted their estimates for Nvidia. And Nvidia trades, okay, it's 18 times year ahead earnings, year plus two. The semiconductor group trades closer to 26 times. I mean, even a stock like Intel trades at 14 times. Nvidia is trading as if it doesn't grow. I mean, it's trading below a market multiple. Would I be selling Nvidia here? No. Does this sound like an opportunity to be adding? I would say so. So to me, unless you think this tariff war turns into a Cold War, which it could, at the end of the day, there's only one company that makes chips that are important to AI, and that's Nvidia. And as you can see, Nvidia was washed out. It fell to $87 on April 7th. I mean, even now at 100, it's still almost 20% above that level. Okay. Another company that's reporting earnings next week that's a granny shots is Tesla. Now, as you know, Tesla's been taking a lot of hits, partly because of Elon Musk's role at the White House and Doge, and we know it's been hitting demand. But Tesla has responded positively in 3 of the last 4 earnings reports. So as much as dire expectations have come into
So that's pretty much it here for Nvidia. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the chart here for Nvidia stock, currently at $101.28. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments on what Tom Lee said and what your thoughts are on the current price here for Nvidia stock. And again, today being April 17, 2025, what are your predictions here for the remaining of April and also your predictions going into also May of 2025? Do you think Nvidia here is currently at a dip opportunity? Because it seems like Tom Lee here is saying that the current price here for Nvidia is a really good dip opportunity. Now, in my personal opinion, if you watched any of my own previous videos, I do share that for me personally, I am dollar cost averaging between $117 and $96. I do have some cash on the side just in case we do dip down below 96. And if this does occur again, I would look to personally add a bigger position for my long-term portfolio for Nvidia. If you don't have a community yet for Nvidia, highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description or the QR code here on the right side. And then if you're looking for live entries and exits, go ahead and check out our Patreon link as well, as currently we do have a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Live entries and exits on stocks and options, including Nvidia stock as well, okay? Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.